For today's training, let's do some Sikaran, or some kicks of Kali. One of the great things about Kali, if you are kind of like me and you're not the most flexible person, the kicks of Kali or the Sikaran are perfect because we like to keep our kicks low in the art of Kali. Let's cover some basic kicking combinations right now with some of the basic kicking techniques that Kali has to offer. Hit the thumbs up button if you like to kick. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video, and add this one to your favorites so you can come back and review the training. And let's get to our Kali kicking combinations. Let's have some fun. Let's go and get into a good fighting structure right here. Any kind of structure that you like to have, go ahead and make sure you're in a good fighting stance. Our first kicking combination, this is one that I like to train. We're gonna go into the scoop kick, step off to the side, side kick, step off again, and a cut kick. You're gonna notice that we're continuously moving forward on our kicks. So we have the scoop kick, the side kick, and the cut kick right there. Then we can just move it back and we can work the other side. Scoop kick, side kick, and cut kick. Now from here, you can finish up on your opponent, or just to keep it in the kicking, you can finish up with a knee if you'd like. Let's take a look at this again. Pay attention to the footwork details here. We're coming in with the scoop kick, and we're gonna be kind of zigzagging left and right. So I'm stepping on the reverse triangle footwork, right 45, sets it up for the side kick, stepping left 45, which sets it up for a deep cut kick right there. If you wanna follow it up, go ahead and just use the knee to keep it in the Sikaran. And again, working on the other side, scoop kick, stepping to the left 45, side kick, right 45 step, and cut kick, and you can follow it up with the knee if you'd like. Let's rep this one out, first combination, a couple times. Sikaran combination number 2. We're going to start off with a thrust kick this time. So we're going to kick straight forward. Again, we're going to be zigzagging that footwork. Then we're going to follow it up with a cut kick and another cut kick. Let's bring it back. Other side. From here, we have the thrust kick. Boom. Then step out left 45, cut kick, right 45, and cut kick right there. Again, if you want to follow it up, you can finish up with some knee strikes. Let's rep it out. On that thrust kick, cut kick, cut kick. One more time. Thrust kick, and cut kick. All right, let's go and rep it out. Have some fun with it. Sikaran combination number 3. This is our thrust kick, cut kick, side kick. We're going to be doing the cut kick and the side kick off the same leg. So from here, we're going to go into our thrust kick. Followed up, notice again, we're working that reverse triangle footwork. There's the cut kick, followed up with the side kick. If you want, come through with the knee just to kind of cap things off. Let's take a look at it on the other side. Come through, thrust kick, step left 45, cut kick, and side kick. And again, you can follow through with the knee strike if you choose to. Let's take a look at this combo again. Sikaran combination number 4. This is all very close quarter, like corto range, short range kicking right here. So our first one, we have our oblique kick. Now watch carefully. I'm gonna do a replacement step and step left 45 here. I'm gonna go to my outside hook kick, place my foot down, and side kick. We call that a reverse side kick because it's kind of like we're going backwards, like a back kick if you trained in other traditional arts. So again, from here, we have our oblique kick. We're going to replacement step with a left 45, going into the back hook kick, and a reverse side kick right there. And of course, we can work this on the other side as well. Oblique kick, right 45, outside hook kick, and reverse side kick. Again, oblique kick, outside hook kick, and reverse side kick. Let's rep it out. I love doing the Sikaran or the kicks of Kali because they're very unique kicks. It's a unique kicking method. Everything is very low line, kind of to the waist and below, to the groin, to the knees, to the calves, to the ankles, really targeting the joints or the weak structure of the legs. And I love doing these specific combinations because they incorporate the footwork so you can maneuver that terrain and get better angles on your opponent to kick them at. If you want to see these kicks applied with a training partner, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and the more thumbs up we have, then I know that more people want to see the kicks applied to a partner. And the next time I have a training partner available, I'll go ahead and give you guys some drills so that you can start working your kicking techniques. Leave me a comment below, share this video, add it to your favorites, subscribe to the Kali Center channel, and to further your training with me, head over to KaliCenter.com and check out becoming a member to my online school. I have the links down in the description below. I'll see you back here next time.